What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial because it is a great feature that a lot of people don't know about that's in Excel that allows you to spell check your documents. So when people think of spell check, they usually think of Word or Google Docs, but Excel also has a spell check feature. To get to it, go to the Review tab. On the left, there is this icon right here, ABC check, then spelling. And then you can click on it, and then it says you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet. Click yes. And then it just basically checks your worksheet for words that it thinks is spelled wrong. So here you can see a sentence. This is how to do spell check in Microsoft Excel, and it allows you to give a normal customization in the same way the Word does. So you can suggest different words to change it to. You can add it to dictionary. You can ignore the word, or you can change it. So we're going to just click change. It takes a second for it to load sometimes. So words. Then that's on to the next sentence. Spell. And then wrong. You can even change the language that you want it to spell check to. I already have it set as the English United States. We can even have English United Kingdom or different versions of English, whatever language you think is best for your purposes. So wrong. And then spell check complete, you're good to go. As you can see, it corrected the words that are spelled wrong. Now, another way to access to it is this. There's a keyboard shortcut, so you can do Alt R and then S to then get to spell check. So Alt or S, and you can even add it to right here. You have a quick access toolbar that allows you to access different features of Excel very quickly. So you can click this arrow right here, and then click spelling. I've already done that, and as you can see, the icons right here. And instead of pressing Alt R S, you can just press Alt and then A. And it gives you the same thing, but with one fewer keystroke. So that being said, I really hope that this is helpful. I hope that this will help you spell check your documents better, and please like, subscribe, and comment. Any support is extremely useful, and let me know if you have any suggestions, questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.